Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got a package from QiYi. New Product Express unboxing for good fortune. So they have released a new, come on, a new warrior. So they sent me this one before. I think this is the old version, new version, or these are the same. And this one's just in English, and this one is not. Magnetic positioning, elasticity, tension. Okay. From what I've heard, though, this is a very light puzzle. It is very light. A lot more click there. Tight tensions, tight tensions, tight tensions. I'm just going to do some turns, then probably take it apart. Very light. Very light. Very light, but feels UV coated. We just have a screw in the center, so no fancy adjustment system, just the screw in the center. And can I take pieces out without loosening it? I can. Barely, but I can. And a very classic design. Nothing super crazy here. Let's open it up. There's magnets in there. Okay, I don't know what I expected. It sounded like it was going to like a ball core with the alignment, but it's just a very light puzzle. So let's check weight, and just to be sure, let's take this one apart that I got earlier. Yeah, this is the same thing as this one. I'll check the weight of all three just to confirm again, but we have the one I had about a week ago, 57.8 grams, 58 grams, and UV coated. 59 grams. Lighter than almost anything I can think of. I'm not sure about other budget puzzles. 55 millimeters. 55 for sure. I like that. It's a good size of it. Yeah, tensions are quite tight. Let's just scramble it a little bit. Nothing super new with the design. Gives me a very classic design look. These are unlubricated, so quite fast out of the box. For the tight tensions, it corner cuts how I'd expect it to. I would love to see a ball core version of this. Just added magnets to this. Okay. Red's looking real nice. Nope. There we go. Wow. Yeah, this is just very fast. Yeah, it's too fast right now. I gotta slow this down. Nope, that was inserted incorrectly. Wow, a lot of this is wrong. Pretend that didn't happen. And just start a new scramble. Well, I can turn it fast for sure. Whew. That's wild. Okay. Pumping lubrication. I want to loosen it just a little bit too. So add some lubrication. Loosen the tensions. Might add some thicker lubricant. It's like some Cosmos or something to actually slow it down. Or I could just turn lighter, which might be ideal for where I'm going and what I want to do. Let's do a little quarter turn on each. I'm curious what the cost of these are going to be. The cost of the Void Cube, the UV coated, was only like a few dollars more. I think it was $10 at $10.99 for the UV coated version of the Void Cube. And that's with magnets, so I have to imagine this is going to be very similar. Okay, feels a bit more comfortable already, a little bit quieter. I'm so used to core magnets and just an insane amount of stability with the magnets that I'm losing a bit of control with it. But this is... I can turn this really quickly. I feel very comfortable with the size of it too. Okay, really, really, really nice budget puzzle. Yeah, I don't know pricing on this, but this is with how light it is, the performance is exceptional. Not anything super groundbreaking, but just a really nice puzzle. So check it out. I'm gonna put a link in the description when these come out, or actually I'm finding the products are showing up in like the corner of the video. So check the corner of the video for that. Other than that, thank you for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.